Okay, so for this second version of the insulter or flatterer, you should once again have 3 questions, but you should now have different answers. So you can be both rude or polite, depending whether they said something you agree with or something you didn't. So you'll have 3 separate questions. If you've used something to force the case, that's a really good thing. It doesn't matter if you haven't, as long as you type the right things in when you're testing it, so it's exactly the same as what you're checking for. Another thing that you might want to have a look at here, as you're going through, you should be testing each one to make sure that they work. Now, you've seen me with things commented out before. If you highlight something and press 3 strings, it actually puts them on both ends of that thing. So that section is now commented out. So what this allows you to do, comment some sections out so that you can just test one thing on its own. So then you're able to put in your answers and you're able to test just this particular one. So we can then check that it does do what we expect it to do. That's about all there is for this one. Hopefully you've been able to follow along with this one. You didn't get lost with any of the stuff in the syntax, the if statements. Just another reminder about that. We've got the if, we've got a condition, then a colon. Whatever we want to happen if that's true is indented. We've got an elif, it's got a condition, and then we've got a colon. Whatever we want to happen if that turns out to be the thing that's true is indented. And we've got an else that doesn't have a condition. It picks up everything that was not true for any of the other checks that we did. And then that can output something as well. All right, in the next video, we're going to have a look at Boolean operators that can help us make more complex conditions in our selection statements.